Morning. I'm going to try this. Hopefully the wind isn't causing a lot of noise, although the rooster is. Lots been going on the last month. I've been trying to post some videos on several things. One of the things, big thing that happened, we had a roof replaced. We went with a metal roof, but all my video got lost. Roger's making all kinds of noise this morning. But I've had some people ask for me to show them the roof. So here's a quick walkabout about it. This is our new roof. Try to do a walkabout. Keep it out of the sun. You'll notice the vents are all gone from the roof. We had him take them out, and that he installed over these. They usually install I guess it's called a gable. And there's a vent at the ridge, about a 5-foot section over there and a 5-foot section over there that they've cut, and then that's where it escapes. To complete it, we need to put a vent there and there, kind of low, and then one on the other side at the basically at the bottom of the attic, and then we'll have good flow. We're not in a hurry to do that. It's basically got as much ventilation as it had before, but when we get that done before summer, and it'll be cooler in the summer. So there's our new roof. Looks great. It was installed about 3 weeks ago. Took about 3 days. It's about the same cost as asphalt, but this has a 30-year guarantee. And when they redid it, they took out, there's 3 or 4 vents on the on the south side, but there was no inlet vents, so the venting was not really working properly. They took out the vents, a stovepipe that was not in use, and the sewer pipe that we put through the roof, in that it ended in the attic. They took all that out and then put, so there's basically no holes except for the chimney, which they checked out, and it's in really good condition, they said. So the roof is solid now. The venting, though, went to a ridge cap vent. They cut two, one on the west side, one on the east side, 5-foot sections on the very crown of the roof. It's about 3 or 4 feet. There goes the birds. Wow, that's always cool to hear. About that wide in the ridge cap, and so it's venting out there. So even the sewer pipe is venting straight out the top of the roof. So it works. But this was just a quick video to show the family and all that the new roof, and they can see what we're doing. You all have a good day now.